Okay, as far as design exceptions, reviewing approvals, just like the specs, requirements, etc., are they design build ready? Do you want to allow any exceptions? If it's an exception, is it an ATC? Do you want to make it an ATC? Could it be a VECP? Again, what do you guys allow in your current design bid build projects? Do you allow exceptions via change order? And or maybe as part of your NEPA document and the scope budget schedule, that was something that was already considered and may have already been a major part of the project. With some of states taking on what they call flexible design, instead of going, say, a full 8-foot shoulder, 10-foot shoulder, some states are going to 4 to 6 foot. But again, that's a internal decision for you all to make as part of your contract. Because the big thing on design exceptions, to me, would be, well, does that require federal highways approval? Has it been assigned to you? I'm sorry, delegated to the state. If not delegated to the state, what's the additional time for federal highways to review and give their evaluation and recommendation for approval and or approval? And then for consistency, does your region or district have a different process or philosophy on the use of exceptions?